In the Northern Hemisphere, it's that time of year. It's spring and it's time for a clean. But how do you do it on a boat? Are you ready? Stick with us. Here we go. Today we're on the south bank of the River Thames and we're overlooking HMS Belfast, which when you see it can also overlook the city as well behind it. An extremely popular tourist attraction when it reopens on the 17th of May. It's been here for many years, so you have the opportunity to get on the ship and have a good look around it. But when it's closed, it's a great time for maintenance. So the question is, how do you actually clean this up? Well, here's your answer. You've got to have a good head for heights and also a good balance as well. Here, with the tide being right out, they get a chance to get down on the hull and have a good scrape and clean it off. Although looking at it, it looks like it will probably need a good coat of paint as well before everything reopens. Either way, it's great to come down and just see HMS Belfast, this great warship, just from the side of the Thames. So hopefully after seeing this gives you a bit more motivation to do the cleaning in your home and makes you realise it's probably not so bad after all. If you like getting out and about and you want to see some more things out and about in London, I'll put a playlist in the top right hand corner for you. So if you click on that, I'll see you in there.